Getting breaking news, another big meeting before the NDA alliance announces its seat-sharing formula for Bihar Assembly polls. Jitan Ram Manjhi has reached BJP President Amit Shah's residence a short while back. Manjhi is the big obstacle at the moment, having, not accepting really the previous formula that was decided by the NDA, seeking more seats for his party after getting to know that the LJP, that is Ram Vilas Paswan's party, has got more seats to contest elections in Bihar. Importantly, the BJP core group on Bihar will meet to finalize the formula at 11 in just a short while from now, really.
हम टोटली कंफ्यूजन खत्म होगा, सब तरह से कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन है नहीं।
लेकिन सीटों को लेकर के क्या आप लोग की बात
कुछ कोई दिक्कत नहीं, सब बात बनी हुई है।
ऐलान कब तक हो जाएगा सर, क्योंकि आपको
आज हो सकता है।
Brijesh Pandey, deputy editor, is tracking all the details, is joining us now on the phone line. Brijesh, Jitan Ram Manjhi continues to say that there is nothing wrong, everything's sorted, but despite that, we're not seeing any formula that the NDA, or rather the BJP, states out clearly to the people.
Well, absolutely, because, Maha, in the morning, I also spoke to people very close to Jitan Ram Manjhi, and they told me that, the Manjhi is still adamant on 25 seats all for himself. There is a faction within the HAM which wants to agree with BJP on a 20+5 formula. But he said that Manjhi was still adamant. Now, post that, a flurry of activities happened, and first 3 MLAs from Jitan Ram Manjhi camp came to meet BJP President Amit Shah, and then immediate 5 to 7 minutes later, Jitan Ram Manjhi himself came to Amit Shah's residence to talk about and thrash out the issues related to seat sharing. Now, what is being his visit to Amit Shah is being interpreted as is the fact that now he has kind of agreed or has showed his inclination to agree with what BJP is offering, because day before, after meeting Amit Shah, day before yesterday, he had consciously avoided meeting Amit Shah or talking to him, thereby increasing the pressure on the BJP. So his visit to BJP or President Amit Shah's residence is being seen as him, showing signs of softening up to the BJP's demand. Maha?
All right, the BJP clearly running out of time over there, trying to settle the seat-sharing formula with its allies, wanting 160 seats apparently to itself, leaving the other 83 to be shared amongst the 3 allies. Will Jitan Ram Manjhi agree? That's the big question at the moment. Brijesh, many thanks for joining us with those details.